Photoshop is dead. That's the rumor, right? With AI tools like Midjourney and Adobe Firefly creating stunning images in seconds, who needs complex layers and masking anymore? Today we're putting the two head-to-head in a true speed and quality test. Can AI truly replace the professional-grade control of Photoshop? I've got 3 challenges. Let's find out which tool reigns supreme. Challenge 1. Concept generation. We need a highly specific image. A futuristic cyberpunk samurai standing on a neon-lit Tokyo street. Look how fast this is in Midjourney. 3 prompts, 15 seconds, and we have 4 distinct high-quality concepts. Speed is an absolute win here. To do this in Photoshop, you'd need 3 different stock photos, advanced masking, perspective correction, and color grading. That's easily 30 minutes of skilled work. For pure idea generation and speed, AI is the clear winner. You can explore dozens of concepts before a Photoshop user has even finished their first mask. Challenge 2. Complex object removal. We need to seamlessly remove this lamppost from the image. Starting with Photoshop's Generative Fill, we select the area and prompt Remove. It's incredible, it perfectly understands the texture and lighting around it. Now, the AI tool's inpainting process. It's fast, but look closely. The result is often more creative than accurate. It might change the wall texture or add strange details. For precision and preserving the original photo's integrity, Photoshop's built-in AI is more predictable and gives the professional result. Challenge 3. Image expansion. We have a square photo and we need to expand it into a wide cinematic 16:9 aspect ratio. In Photoshop, we simply use the crop tool to drag the canvas wider, then hit Generative Expand. It blends the newly generated edges seamlessly, respecting the original lighting and style. The external AI tools are good too, but sometimes the edges where the old and new images meet are slightly noticeable. It's better for an artistic, less precise look. Both tools are excellent here, but Photoshop's ability to work with existing layers and its perfect edge blending gives it a slight edge for final professional output. So, is Photoshop dead? Absolutely not. AI is the king of speed and idea generation. If you need a concept in 10 seconds, AI wins. Photoshop is the king of control and precision. The future isn't AI replacing Photoshop, it's AI being inside Photoshop, making the professional workflow 10 times faster. Adobe Firefly and Generative Fill prove that. Let me know in the comments, which tool do you rely on more right now, and why? Don't forget to like and subscribe for more deep dives into the future of tech.